In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Microsoft Teams status always available. We all know how important it is to maintain your presence, especially when you're working remotely or need to seem engaged even while you're busy tackling multiple tasks. Let's dive into making sure that your status doesn't accidentally switch to away, making it appear like you're not working when you actually are. First, you'll begin by launching Microsoft Teams. Open it up either on your desktop or through your browser, whichever you prefer or have been using regularly. It's essential to be in the main interface where you can access all your options easily. Next, direct your attention to your profile picture, usually found on the top right corner of the screen. Clicking your profile picture is a pivotal step, as this is where you'll find all the options related to your account settings and status personalization. Once you click your profile picture, you'll see a list of options. From there, proceed to select Set Status Message. This is a convenient feature that allows you to share a specific message with your contacts. But today we're focusing on how to ensure your status reflects your availability continuously. After clicking Set Status Message, you'll notice an option towards the bottom marked as Clear Status Message After. This is key to making sure your status stays as you set it, regardless of Teams' automatic settings. Click on Clear Status Message After, and you will be presented with several time frames. Here's where you can select an option that suits your needs. For our purpose of keeping your Microsoft Teams status always available, you'll want to select Never. By choosing this, your status message won't reset on its own, and it'll remain exactly how you set up it until you decide to change it otherwise. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted Microsoft Teams to keep you marked as available all the time. This is especially useful if you want to give the impression of being active and responsive when you're on other working tasks, or even if you've just stepped away from your computer for a little while. Remember, availability can go a long way in facilitating better communication and enhancing productivity in your remote work environment. By keeping your status set to available, it signals to colleagues and teammates that you're reachable and ready to collaborate if needed. Keep in mind to manually update your status message if your schedule or availability drastically changes to ensure effective communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain your presence on Microsoft Teams smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips like this.